I am making for you our favorite drink that we got from Buffalo City Distillery at the Outer Banks, North Carolina, using their toasted coconut flavored vodka. This is called Carolina Heat. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1/2 container full of ice, our shaker. We're going to use 2 ounces of our toasted coconut vodka. We're going to use 1.5 ounces of the Route 23 Cucumber Habanero simple syrup. Oh my God, that's awesome. We're going to put that in there. It's 1.5 ounces. We're going to use 1 can of pineapple juice. We used a light pineapple juice. Make sure you shake it up to get all the good pineapple stuff. We used the light stuff because it's less points in Weight Watchers, which is kind of nice. Put that all in there. We're going to put our lid on and tightly, and I'm going to shake it. Oh yeah, that is going to be awesome. And I forgot a glass, so I got to get a glass out of the refrigerator or out of the cabinet. Here is my glass, and we're going to leave the ice in there and everything. We're going to pour it. Doesn't that look awesome? Carolina Heat from Buffalo City Distillery at the Outer Banks. Check them out.